Okay, where are my Pinot people at? Where are you? Are you there? Okay, awesome. Because you know what? I'm making this creamy and dreamy Shiitake Portabella mushroom vegan pate, aka hella fancy mushroom spread. To pair with some sustainable wine. Not just any wine, I'm talking SIPcertified wine. If you don't know, SIPcertified is a sustainability certification for wine growers and winemakers. Why drink green? So you can keep drinking wine. Duh. All right, time to shroom. Okay, so first up is the chop, drizzle, and sizzle. You're gonna grab some baby bellas and some shiitake mushrooms, and we're gonna chop them up. You're gonna heat up some olive oil in a large saute pan over a medium heat, then toss in the shrooms. Mix them to coat in that oil, and then sprinkle a little sea salt and give it another stir so everything is completely mixed together. Oh, and the best way to store mushrooms so they last. Put them in a paper bag, seal it, and put it in the fridge. The paper keeps them moisture free, which causes them to get all slimy and spoil. Ew, David. You want to cook them until they shrink down to about a quarter of their size. Like, seriously. Mushrooms lose their water like they just finished doing hot yoga. Once they're done cooking, we're gonna set them aside. Okay, into the food processor, we're gonna put some walnuts. I like myself some California walnuts. You should too. Give it a good pulse until they're finely chopped. Now, add the white beans and blend it up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Oh, and I don't know if you're ready for what I'm about to drop, but seriously, this is like some chef kiss stuff right here. Okay, so we're gonna add in some cocoa powder. Yeah, trust me, it just deepens the flavor. Then we're gonna add in some miso paste. It's like umami overload. Mushrooms, miso, just pulse it until it's all well mixed. You're probably asking, can I just dump it in there all at once? And, well, here's the thing. Is it weird that I can kind of read your mind? Anyway, seriously, you can. The reason I'm kind of breaking it up is for the texture and flavor. But you know what, if you're short on time and you just want to have some tasty pate with some Pinot Noir, go ahead and just do it all at once. But this is really about the full experience. The thing that I love about Pinot Noir is it can have some serious fruit vibes, but also be earthy and kind of fungal. It's just a great wine. And here is some other P words I like. People, planet, prosperity. And that's what SIPcertified is all about. You should 100% check out SIPcertified.org to learn more about the great work that they're doing to keep us drinking delicious wines. And check out their wine finder. You can find vineyards, wineries, wines that are certified. Get this, more than 63 million bottles of wine have been certified to date. Crazy, right? But coming back to the range of flavors in Pinot, we have a few more bits for this wine pairing appetizer. Okay, so we're gonna toss in some fresh parsley, some ground coffee, yeah, you heard me, ground coffee, and some thyme, some fresh thyme. By the way, you should also watch my videos on how to store herbs and how to quickly strip them. I have some great videos there for preparing herbs. Will save you some time and also make them last a really long time. I'm here for all your food hack needs. I'm here for you. Now it's time for those mushrooms to meet their new home. Add them into the food processor and pulse until smooth. Add the remaining olive oil and blend it until it's kind of whipped, adding more if needed. Add freshly cracked pepper. We're gonna finish it with a little sea salt and give it one last stir and boom, vegan pate perfection. Yeah, oh yeah, earthy, rich, umami packed, and honestly, next level with a glass of sustainable Pinot Noir. You should seriously try this pairing. I think you're gonna love it. Pair this mushroom pate with not only SIPcertified wine, but you know what? Throw it on a cheese board or just eat it straight from the container with a spoon. I won't judge you. It's that tasty.